Alright, late evening is here, August 6th, 2025. CN Hayes here, 2243. One more train for tonight. Another northbound well behind the 343. Distinctive horn on this one. Check them out as we lean back and get them. C6M rebuilt by the sound of it. 42. How about that? U723. U723, 71 of the 4th. Started at Convent, Louisiana. This is heading back up to Mintac Mine in Mountain Iron, Minnesota. This will have multiple rear DPUs. Let's stay right on the southbound trip. GPUs now. Quad 3s and the 3304. Not bad. I will take that. Another trio of the C6M rebuilds at it again. Not bad at all. So that'll do it for the U723, 71 of the 4th. We'll do it for the trio C6M rebuilds of the 3342, Quad 3s, and the 3304. How about that? And that's going to do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin for tonight. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Have a great night. I'll see you next time, and I hope I will see you along the main line. CN Hayes out.